Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Carbon ROM version 8.0 unofficial one on this Redmi Note 3, which is based on Android version 10. So let's begin. So as you guys saw, this is the Carbon ROM version 8.0. The Android version here is Android 10, and the security patch level is the previous month, the 5th November 2020, and the kernel here you get is the Colmon 10X. I don't know what kernel is this. It is something new kernel, like each and every new ROM has something new kernel, right? So yeah, this is, I don't know what's going on, man. So this is a new kernel, and I would really appreciate, yes, that this kernel here is just amazing and it's really good. Now let's just see to these settings here. As you guys can see, this is the settings, just the normal settings that as the Android 10 ROM. I will just not show you everything, but we'll just see to it in the system settings. These are the system settings, and these are the updates option available here. But it shows me this error, update of CR unofficial, not possible. I don't know why, and this is the latest one and no updates are there. So yeah, then these are the options, and you get to see the carbon fibers and stuff. These are the customization settings. You get to see the advanced restart option, the charging animation and everything. The charging animation, when I plug, there is no animation, there's no kind of animation. So yeah, it's just not working. Then and these are the status bar customizations, the lock screen customizations here are just available. Not much customization, it's just all the basic ones. You get to see the hardware buttons. These are the only hardware buttons customization, the backlight and everything. And I don't know, for some reason my backlight here is also gone. First the fingerprint was gone, and now the hardware button backlight is also gone. I don't know what's going on, but slowly everything here is just not working on my phone. I don't know why. Okay, these are the gestures options. You get to see double tap, lock screen to sleep and everything. You get to 3 finger swipe on the screen for the screenshot option available here. As you can see, no long screenshot option available here. So yeah, I would like to just inform you that no long screenshot options here are available. And these are the privacy. You can see the hide apps from recent, you can just hide it, and the carbon ROM statistics and everything. So these was it. These were the carbon fibers, the customizations of the Carbon OS. So these was it. Now I'll just show it to you. Let's just move on to the battery here. The battery life here is just average as usual as each and every Android 10 ROM. Not just amazing battery life as the other Android Nougat ROMs, but it's average, just the normal Android 10 battery life. Yeah, so no complaints with the battery life, just you will get the average battery life. And then talking about the security here, there is no face unlock option. The fingerprint sensor here is working, and the pin here is also working. No problems with the security and everything. I'll just show it to you. The double tap to sleep here is also working, and as you can see here, everything, the lock screen here is working perfectly fine. So yeah, that is great. And yeah, these were these settings, and I'll just show it to you. These gestures here are pretty much very much smooth. As you can see here, the gestures are very smooth, so no worries with the gestures. Overall, so the ROM here is just an amazing ROM. Then talking about the quick settings, this is the quick settings panel, and as you can see, the Wi-Fi here is just working absolutely fine, but mobile data here sadly is not working. I have the VI Vodafone Idea SIM, and as you can see, it is showing E up here, 2G, no 4G or VoLTE, LTE, nothing here is just working. I tried each and every settings of the mobile data, but nothing here is just working. So yeah, and I had a chat with the developer and the maintainer also. So yeah, the mobile data here is just not working. Otherwise, the Bluetooth do not disturb and the torch here, everything here is just working fine, but there is no screen recorder option available here. So yeah, that's also sad news. This is a close to stock Android, like close to Pixel Experience ROM with few customizations available. So yeah, this is the story of Carbon ROM. No screen recorder, and the call recorder here is also not available. I'll just show you the call screen. This is the call screen, and these are the options. No call recorder option available. So yeah, these are some issues, and this is some missing features. Otherwise, as I'll just show it to you in the edit option also, these are the options available: input features, data saver and everything. No call recorder option available here, and long screenshot option is also not available. Then talking about the camera here, this is the camera, the Snapdragon camera available here, which is as usual working. But the good news here is that the Google camera 7.3 here is also working absolutely fine. Yeah, this is taking a long time. Okay, previously it was working, and this time in front of camera it just got hanged. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and there will be the name of the Telegram group here. You can join the Telegram group from there, and also the link will be in the description below, so you can just join from the link. So let's just try again. And okay, so as you can see, this time it just worked and the display got black. So yes, Google camera version 7.3 here is working, but sometimes it just gets hanged. So this is a bit problem here. Okay, then talking about the safety net here, safety net status, there here also good news that the safety net has passed. Safety net status has passed, and the Play Store here is also certified, so no worries. As you can see here, device play protection certification, device is certified, so no worries with that too. And then talking about the performance, I must say overall performance here is just amazing, and so are the scores here. As you can see, the single core score is 287 and multi-core score is 822. As the scores is the performance here, the performance on this ROM here is just amazing, and I will recommend you to use this as a daily driver. I would recommend, but the problem is the mobile data here is not working for the VI SIM, and we cannot expect it for the Airtel SIM also, because Airtel has been a problem since then. Okay, these were the scores, and the performance, overall performance here is just amazing. No lags, no stutters, and everything here is just working fluidly, absolutely fine. And you see these animations also are working fluidly. So yeah, this is great, and the internet speed test here is also not an issue. I'll just show you the results here. Okay, as you can see, the download speed I got is 45.3 and the upload 31.2 Mbps. So internet here is also not an issue. Everything in here is just working fine. Internet is also working, camera here is also working, calls are just not an issue. The only issue is the mobile data. So this is one of the best Android 10 ROMs available here. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.